How to add photos to shared album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down and go to the Shared Albums section. You can view all your shared albums over here. Open any album from here. Then, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can now choose photos and videos from your camera roll to add to this album. Select the photo that you want and tap on Add Above. You can add a comment for this photo if you want. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have successfully added the photo to this album. You can repeat this to add more photos to this album. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to a shared album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.